window cleaning made easy with AquaBlade by EasyLight, and I show you how. So before this product was invented, squeegees always needed a swivel technique, and because of these patented bars here on the side, very small invention but very clever, you don't get a sideline anymore, so you can just run the product straight down, and you don't need a complicated technique. Dirty water goes into the tank, pour it back into your bucket. What do you need? A squeegee, a washer to wash the glass first, sometimes for stubborn stains a non-scratch sponge, and detergent. No professional ever uses glass cleaner. All they use is normal dishwashing soap. So in the ideal world, put the detergent straight on the fiber. If you ask me, that's a better way of doing it. Lots of detergent, not so much water. It's a very good tip. Go easy on the water, just a little bit into the fiber tips. If it's too wet, give it a little scrape on the edge of the bucket, and you'll get lots of bubbles, and now the water is not runny anymore. So you can wash windows, mirrors, shower screens, car glass. The washer has to do all the hard work. Squeegee is only there to collect the water, so if the windows are really dirty, give them a real good wash, pre-wash them, whatever you have to do. If you need to scrub them, you can do that too. But in general, it's basically just washing, and then you squeegee off. You can work from right to left, from left to right, doesn't really matter. The blade is made a little bit shorter than the housing, so you can move it along, and very cleverly built in the pressure plates. So for the left hand edge, that's how it's meant to be used. Put the left hand pressure plate up, and now you get that little bit extra pressure to hold it on the glass for the left hand edge and corner. So you can actually work from corner to corner, which is fantastic. Best thing you can do for the following strokes: a little bit overlapping, not too close to the border, a little bit overlapping. Start at the top without leaving anything behind. If you ever leave something behind, just stop and grab that first, so it looks better when you're finished. And this way then window cleaning is quite easy. The dirty water runs into the housing. In this case, I don't have a rubber seal in the frame, so I push the blade right over, so I get really nice close to the edge and have a perfect result. Even professionals sometimes struggle with that. So here you get right to the edge. And then when you're finished, there's a little hole on the side where you can empty your water into the bucket. Now, say the window is clean, but the dog put some noses on there, some fingerprints from the kids, smudge marks, splatter marks while you're cooking on the splashback. You just want to clean a couple spots. Now you want to start at the top without having a start mark. My way, I've been selling this man's invention for over 25 years. Absolute brilliant inventor in terms of squeegees and blades. I can do this. When professionals see this, they go, whoa, that's a little bit good, because never before you can just take water out of the middle of the glass. The alternative to just doing the double start, which I did, like so, 1, 2, is, if you want to go the safe way, take a cloth of some sort, wipe over the top of the blade, so the excess water that doesn't belong there is gone, and you don't even get a start mark, and you pull straight down. Dirty water back into the bucket. The blade itself is highly flexible, so it doesn't mind being bent over. So maybe you stand on your balcony and want to squeegee your water down like this, or you stand in the shower and you have trouble with your knees on your back. You can just bend the blade to your likings down here as well, and then squeegee out. Really good for splashbacks, for curved glass. The blade will hold you around about 4 to 5 years, and that's not the end of it. 5 stainless steel screws, take it out, turn it over, you got another lifespan on the other side. Replacement blades have been available for over 10 years already. And the product comes with a 5-year warranty. It's dishwasher safe, so if you like to, you can just rinse it under the tap. That's what we do. You can put it in dishwasher as well. Comes out like new. And the pre-washer can be used Same way, just wash it by hand or peel it off, put it in a washing machine. If you have any questions further to this, there's longer videos, or you can of course contact us. AquaBlade by EasyLight, the easy way to clean your windows. Thank you.